In India, there are plenty of courses that are doing the rounds. There are a lot of online courses. There are a lot of offline courses as well. I recommend that not to go for a short certificate course because it does not give you complete knowledge about nutrition. In most of these courses, what is happening is the focus is more on only the calorie intake and calorie burning. It is not the complete aspect of the food, the nutrients are not covered. So, as a doctor, we need to look at food from a clinical point of view. How we are going to use food as a therapy, the therapeutic benefits of food is what is required. So for doing that, one needs to do either a master's degree or you do a PhD, which takes around 2 years. Depending upon from which university you're doing it, they have their own criterias. If you do not have a degree in any nutrition, you are required to take a short course first in a small nutrition course and then enter the MSc or the PhD course. So, but yeah, 2 years is minimum that is required. But this 2 years is worth the time, worth the effort, because the knowledge that you gain is complete knowledge about food, right from biochemistry to the microbiology to the applied physiology of the food, how it impacts in various diseases, how cooking or the preparatory methods, have an impact on the food that we are eating. It covers everything. So as a doctor, I feel that if after being a doctor and you're serious about taking nutrition as a secondary skill set for yourself, then I would say that we need to go beyond weight loss programs and we need to be clinicians and help patients as a clinical therapy. So what we call it is medical nutrition therapy, MNT, which we use for most of these lifestyle diseases, including diabetes, heart disease, kidney disease, even cancer is covered under MNT.